Everyone, this is me, your girl Sherry Fatu Bakari Joe. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here and you have not subscribed, please click the subscribe button and share this channel for people to also subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification button because I'm going to be uploading videos every Friday. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to bake soft bread, and it's going to be like two kinds of soft bread, the same recipe, but I'm going to make it almost at the end, two different patterns. So here are the ingredients you will need to make your soft bread. Here we have 700 grams of all-purpose flour. It's already been sieved, and in here we have 300 grams of water. Here 150 grams of butter or margarine like you want, and here 50 grams of wet yeast, and here we have 35 grams of powdered milk. Here I'll tell you, this powdered milk you can replace it with full milk, a whole milk. Instead of 300 grams of water, you can use 300 gram liquid milk. And I have here 1 egg, 10 grams of salt, and 20 gram sugar. Like I said before, I'm making two different types, same ingredients but two different types, because I'm using some grains in the other ones. I'm going to introduce to you the grains. Here we have sunflower seed. Here we have lime seed, sesame seed. And this poppy seed, here is the brown lime seed. So I'm also going to teach you how to eat with your hands. In my other videos, I'm going to be using my mixer. Wash my hands. Let's get into action. So I always do with this, but what you can do to make it easier for you, this is already clean, the bottom. You just do like this. That way you get a wider circle, easier and clean. So all our ingredients are coming in the circle apart from our salt and butter. Why? Like I said in my first video, when salt comes in contact with yeast, it kills the effect. So we'll just put our salt just outside the ring and our butter. And your egg. But your egg, you don't break it directly inside because sometimes you might have a bad egg. So first you just want to break it apart and make sure it's a good one before putting it inside. First you make the yeast, melt it inside. You just mix all the ingredients inside first together, and doing this you have to be careful so your water, you don't break your ring and the water don't go out. You just don't mix everything at a time. You go slowly round your circle, taking some flour with you. We're going to do this until we get a very thick pap. You're kneading in dough intensively for 15 minutes. You can either reduce the quantity by reducing your ingredients, can share it into two, or you can also double the recipe. Soft and smooth. Soft and smooth. So we'll leave it for 10 minutes to rest. Alright, the dough is waiting for 10 minutes. See how soft this is. So we're going to just make it flat, remove some hair. Now we will share the dough into 24. So 24, I'm making 12 different one and also 12 different. So we'll share it into 24 in total, so it's about 55 grams each. Okay, now we've divided into 24 and we just take our dough. What I do, you just make a ball. So see how good it is. Don't put flour on the surface, otherwise when you put flour it starts getting slippery. You can't make a ball like this. First type we're going to make with my packnet on my tray. So this, I just damp it a little bit, a clean towel, put it on your tray on a flat surface, damp in my clean towel. Then you take your dough, you also roll it. Like this, and then you just roll it on your damp towel. Why you're doing this? So that your grains, your seeds will stay, otherwise they fall out. So it's a little bit damp, and then you choose whatever seeds you want. So I'll go first with my sunflower. I like this a lot, so you see, and then and this one, linseed, Alright, this is it. So when doing this, you would want to speed up your work process, because when you leave this for too long while working on it, it's not too good. Probably your bread is either not going to rise good, or it's over rising, that at the end of the day you get something else. Our bread is rising. Yeah, don't mind everything is jam-packed here, because I just want to bake this once. That's why everything is together. So if you have a bigger baking tray, it's fine, or if you want to do it twice, it's also fine. So this is ready for baking. We're going to put it in the oven for 7 minutes. Our oven is being preheated 250 degrees. Now we're just going to put it in for 7 minutes. Okay, our bread is ready. As you can see, yeah, like I said, I make sure everything go in one tray. We'll leave it like this to cool off. Totally cooled off. You can see. Whoa. Guys, you want to try this at home? All right. This year is so yummy, so yummy. If there are things that you want me to elaborate on, you can just put it on the comment section below. And don't forget to share this video. My next video, it's coming up on Friday. See you.